Morning or afternoon or whenever you happen to be watching this video. Welcome to Cowboy Leather Products. This morning we're going to change it up a little bit here. I got a saddle in that needs to be gone over and checked to see if everything is in good working order, safe for people to ride. I've got a customer that has a riding school and boarding stables, and she's been bringing me in saddles and tack and stuff like that that's shows signs of wear. She has to keep her saddles in pretty good shape because she's putting people that don't know how to ride on horses, and she likes to have all her equipment in the best condition it can be in. So, like I say, what we got to do is we got to change blevin buckles. These are blevin buckles. They go down, they hold the stirrup up. This is your adjustment. Comes with two pieces. This goes on to the stirrup leather and fender. And this piece slides up the adjustment strap, the other end of the stirrup. It slides in something similar to that. And goes in like that. So, I think I've got all my tools gathered up. Let me tip you down, and we'll change these out. Shouldn't take long. Going down. Now these, well, this one here is starting to break off. I haven't done nothing with it. And that, when I took the, start taking it apart, it's all wonky. And I don't know, you can't see these too well. But see how these are all kind of buggered up? That's aluminum. Horse sweat and whatnot does not fare well with aluminum. So what we're going to do is, got me a little block, block of steel here. Got a hole drilled in the middle of it. Put that on there like so. My big nippers. That's man, here we got. Usually these just come right out of here without too much trouble. But every once in a while we get one with a little bit of trouble. Let me get my side cutters. Sometimes what I do, especially when the leather looks a little crusty, you see all that white powder? That's oxidation on these. they've oxidized about halfway through, so that wouldn't have lasted a whole lot longer. Now, what you gotta do is pay attention when you take them off. You gotta pay attention that you're getting back on. Oh, excuse me, getting back on the same way. Yeah. Now, they had these held on there with size 14s. I'm going to go ahead and use size 8s. Because one of them was busted. So, in order to do that, we're going to have to open them holes up. So let me get my drill, and I'll be right back. Alright. Put them over my little hole here. Never can find stuff when you need it. Hang on. Just like that. That's how it goes, just like that. That one. Yep. Yeah, you can, so this one's all jiggy jaggy. That ain't good. This one's even bent. She didn't bring me to stir it for this side. There you go. About 20 minutes is about what it takes to change them out. It's not that long. As far as cost, I charge flat rate. So, can I make money? Yeah. Am I going to? Yeah. So, like I say, it's about 20 minutes. Take or give. If I wasn't making the video, it probably would have taken me less time, but that's just, that's spare money. That's, yeah, I can go out and get a Big Mac, fries, and a cold drink and still have change. So, what can I say? I've said, it's easy money. It's not wasn't a hard job. And it's easy money. And, it builds up rapport with potential clients, customers. And if you make horse tack or anything like that, you got them in the door. I could have probably done this. Usually I do this while they wait. But she dropped it off. She was going out of town for, on business. So she just said, take your time. I'll be back on the 14th. And that's today. So, there it is. Easy money. I'm going to get into making, I got a couple holsters here I want to finish off. And so I can get those out to the customers. So I'm going to end the video here. Hope you got a little bit of information out of it. I know it may have been boring to some people, but sometimes learning is boring. But with that said, I'm going to get out of here. Look for another video Friday. Y'all have a good rest of the week. We'll see you Friday. Cowboys out. Bye now.